Today I'm going to be fixing my Whirlpool Duet. I have a pretty bad leak right here, which is the detergent nozzle or the power spray nozzle. I don't know which one that is, but it's leaking and causes my drum to fill with water. I'm going to have to replace a valve in the back. I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is unplug your washer. I'm also going to turn off all the water. Now I'm going to undo these hoses, the hot and cold water. I also have a bucket right here just in case some water leaks out. Okay, there's 4 hex nuts that I need to remove up here to remove this back cover. I'm using a power nut. They look like this. I can put them in a power driver. The size is 1/4. So I'm going to undo these hex nuts right now. Okay, I'm going to pull it back and then I'm going to lift it up. Alright, this is the thing that I need to replace right here, this pump. There are a bunch of wires connected to it. You need to remember where those wires go, and I recommend just taking a photo of this so that you know where the wires go. There are some clamps right here that I need to remove so I can remove the hose from this valve right here. There's another set down here that I need to remove, but once I do that, I can take this out and replace it. So first thing I'm going to do is take a photo so I know where everything goes. There is 1 star hex nut in the back which I need to remove. So I need to use this star bit set, or it's a hex bit set, I guess. I need to loosen that to remove the valve. So there are some clips in here that I need to use pliers to remove. Right, I just removed 1 hose. Now I'm gonna remove the other hose. Okay, so I finally took the unit out. Just a note on these electrical clips. You gotta press these clips together in order to pull the clips out. And these are where the hoses are connected with the clamp. So I'm gonna get the new part and hopefully this will start working again. When ordering the valve, take a look at this one that I ordered. I thought this was the right part and it looks almost identical to the original, but it's not. Things are in different places, as you can see. So I actually have to return this, and I was able to order the correct one after I opened up the assembly and took a look at the original valve. So take note of that. If you're trying to replace this, there are many Whirlpool Duet models and there are different valves for each model. All right, so I finally got my new washer inlet valve. This is the new one and this is the old one. So as you can see, they are identical. Kind of, the colors right here are different. So let's go and install this right now. All right, so I need to reverse engineer this and put the nozzles in the right place. It's kind of surprising that these things did not come with new nozzles. I'm just using the old nozzles. Use some needle nose pliers to grip those clamps. And then when everything's put together, you can reattach your hoses. I'm going to refer to my phone to see where the hoses were. I can see the white one was on the left and the black one was on the right. Alright, everything is good. I can turn on the water now. I'm going to slide this back on. Alright, water is flowing, so it looks like it's working. I won't know until the load is done, but that's how you replace the inlet valve on a Whirlpool Duet. Hope this helps.